Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to solve this top SQL interview question. In this question we have been given two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1 has column like x1 and x2, and table 2 also has the column like x1 and x2. So the question is, we need to find the total number of output, like count of the number of rows which will be there when we join these two table on x1, right? So on this column we will be going to join, and we need to find how many total number of output would be there when we do the inner join, left join, right join and full join, right? So this is the question when we don't have the null in this x1 in the table 1 and x2 in the table 2, right? The other type of the question is when we have the null in x1 also and x2 also when we do the join. So we need to find the total number of output, right? So let's start. So this kind of question we get, and the interviewer asks us to analyze the input table and tell or fill this boxes basically, right? They do not they do not tell you to write the queries, right? So now let's analyze. So what happened when we do the inner join, right? So inner join, we know that these values should match, right? The total number of match record come, it doesn't depend on the left table or right table, right? So let's analyze. So this one will join with this one also, this one also and this one also. So this one will give 3 output. Again this one will join with this one, this will also give you the 3 output result. This one will again join with this and give 3 result output, right? But this one too, when we join, basically on clause will be table 1 dot x1 equal to table 2 dot x1, right? So 2, there is no record where the x1 value is 2, so this will not join, right? So the total number of output will be 9, right? Inner. So this is what my answer is in this scenario. Okay, so let's erase this and fill this box. Okay, so here I am saying this will be 9. So we will run the queries also. So I have created this insert statement. We will run and see if our analyze whatever we have analyzed is correct or not. Okay, now let's talk about the left join. So what happened in left join, all the matching record comes, along with that the non-matching record from the table 1 also comes, right? So we know that if we, so from these 3 record we will get 9 record, right, in the output. So this one will join with all these 3, again this one will join with all these 3, this one will join with all these 3, and this 2, there is no matching record, but this will come right in the output. So 1, so total will be 10. So here this will be 10. Again in the right table, the way we did for the left table, same way the right table also work. What happened, all the matching record plus the extra record from the right table, that is table 2, will come. So 9 record from here and 1 extra, that is this, so plus 1, 10 record. So this will be also 10 record. Now let's analyze. Okay, okay, I think this is not getting erased, so let me write like this. Okay, now for the full join, what happened, all the matching records, right? So matching record, we know that 9 matching record will be there. From left table, all the record will come which are not matching, so 1 record from left, and since it is a full, from the right also it will come 1 record from the right. So total 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, this 12, 11, so 11 record will come, right? So this is what my answer is. Okay, now let's run the queries and check what would be the output. So remember that this is the case when we don't have nulls. We don't have nulls in the table or the join, basically on the joining key, on joining key, right? So second scenario is when we have the nulls. Okay, so let me tell you the hint basically to tackle the null record, and you can pause the video basically writing the query, this query is simple, right? We can straight away see this, but you can pause the video for now and analyze this. What will be the output when we join? Basically join condition will be table1 dot x1 equal to table2 dot x2. We need to tell the number of output in the left, inner, left, right and full, right, when we have the null condition. So the hint over here is the way we are doing over here, 1 1, this is getting mapped, so 1 is equal to 1, right? The hint is null is not equal to null. Okay, so these two are not same, right? So now you pause the video and in the comment section write the total number of record for each of the join type. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have created the insert statement for both of the scenarios. So let me do the select star. Okay, so this is the first scenario when we don't have the nulls. So in the table 1 we can see 4 record, table 2 also has the 4 record, right? So now let's do all the scenario and check if our answer is correct or not. So we are doing the inner join first. Okay, let me run this. So if you see this, let me, okay, total number of record 9, and this is what we analyzed over here also. Inner join we got 9, for left and right we should get 10. Okay, so let's analyze over here. So for left, let me run this, we got 10, so all the matching record and the non-matching record from the left table. Same way if we do the right, again we got 10. Why? All the matching record from both the table and the non-matching record, right, from the right table. So if we do the full, so you can understand, right, all the matching record like row number 9 till row number 9, all the matching records are there. Row number 10 non-matching record from the table 1, and row number 11 non-matching record from table 2. So we got 11. So I think our whatever we analyzed, it was correct. Now I think you must have commented this, so I will not explain everything again. Let's straight away go and check over here, right, with the null. But before that I will have to change the data in the table 1 and table 2. So for that I'm truncating table 1 and inserting the null records again. So table 2, let's truncate this and insert the null record. Okay, now let me do the select star on the both the table. Okay, so now in the table 1 we can see 2 nulls are there, and in the table 2 we can see 1 null is there, right? Now let's do the inner join and left, right and full join and check. So let's do the inner join. Okay, you can see number of record is 9. Why? Because as I mentioned, so inner join is nothing but matching records comes, and as I mentioned, null is not equal to null. So one, all these 3 1 will join with all these 3 1s, so 3 1s into 3 1s, so total 9 records would be there. So we can see over here also, and null will be ignored. So let's do the left join. Okay, so in the left join what happened, all the 9 matching records, and then 2 which was a valid input, not, it was not null, that record, and the all the null record, right? So all the record matching record till 9 throw, and these 3 basically the 2 and the 2 null, so total 12 records. Okay, now let's do the right join. So here we can see till 9th row we got the matching record, 3 which is not null, and null which is like null from the right table, so total 11 record. Now let's do the full join. Okay, let me explain you. So till 9th row, we know all the record from left table, not left, basically the matching record. These two from the left table, okay, let me show you from here so you can understand. 2 and null, right? 2 and 2 nulls, basically this record. Okay, let me remove this. So this 2 and the 2 nulls, so these are from the left. So 2 and 2 nulls, so till this point we are getting from the left, and the 2 additional from the right table, right? So here if you can see, till this point these are the matching record and these are the additional record. So total we got 14 record, right? So I think you understood this. So this is like quite popular question which we get in a lot of interviews, so make sure you practice this. Let's meet in the next video.